Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ami Date. I'm a practicing obstetrician and gynecologist in the city of Pune. I have a clinic by the name of Women's Clinic, which is located at Mitramandal Colony in the Parvati area of Pune. So today I would like to give a very quick and a brief update of women and COVID vaccines. Number one, all girls above the age of 18 years are eligible to take the vaccine. Number two, the vaccine can be taken in any part of your menstrual month. I repeat, any part of your menstrual month. So whether you are menstruating or you are just due for your menses anytime soon or you have just had your menses anytime soon, doesn't come in the way of you taking the vaccine. Your menses in no way will alter the immunogenic response created by the vaccine. However, some people who often have a lot of pain or a lot of dysmenorrhea during their menstrual periods are advocated not to take it because there is some kind of weakness and with the immunogenic response which is generated by the vaccine, because of which your dysmenorrhea or the menstrual pain can get aggravated further. Apart from these group of ladies, every other lady can definitely take the vaccine during her menses. The third thing is, if you are planning to conceive and you are in the reproductive age group or you are lactating, you can definitely go ahead and take the vaccine. However, I would advise that you try and postpone getting pregnant till up to 6 weeks after you've taken the second shot of your vaccine. So try not to conceive in the month you have taken the vaccine. That is all what is needed. However, if you've taken 1 or 2 shots of the vaccine and you have conceived in the same month, you need not worry because there are absolutely no reports of any dangerous side effects of the vaccine on the fetus. On the other hand, if you see, the Western countries and the Europeans have already started vaccinating their pregnant women. It would soon be a part of the Indian vaccinations schedule. But till now we have had no research of the vaccine and its effects in pregnancy. Therefore, it is not yet recommended in pregnancy in the Indian scenario. Now, if you've taken 1 shot of the vaccine and you've got pregnant, what do? So you wait till you complete your 9 months of your pregnancy and you deliver your baby. Once you've delivered your baby, we would measure the antibody response which has been generated by the first shot of the vaccine. So depending or not whether you've developed antibodies, we would decide whether we need to give you a single shot or a complete vaccination schedule needs to be repeated in your case. The third thing is, everybody needs to remember that the antibody response develops at least 3 to 4 weeks after taking the second shot. So please maintain the COVID safety norms as wearing a mask and maintaining physical distancing after taking your first and the second shot as well. Even after you've taken the second shot and you've developed a good antibody response, that does not guarantee that you might not get the infection. You may very well still get the infection. However, the severity of the infection or the complications are totally brought down by the vaccine, and the necessity for a hospital admission or for that matter oxygen administration and ICU admissions have gone down drastically in the doctors and the healthcare workers who have been vaccinated. So ladies, the vaccine definitely helps. So this is all from my end. I hope all of us stay safe, stay healthy, and we will soon defeat this pandemic of COVID-19. Thank you.